Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have come with a very interesting topic because few of my cousins, they are in college and schools and they are having the exam. So I just got the guidance that let us do one reading with how your examination is going to be. No matter whether it is a assessment or whether it is a semester or whether it's a board exam or any kind of exam that you are going to attend in your life, like in your nearby future. If you're going to attend certain exams, okay, whether it is a public exam or whatever it is, okay, it is really connected to you. Okay, it might like depends on the reading and your energy. Okay, so if you are seeing it while your exams are nearby, so this video is definitely for you, sweet, like lovely souls. Okay.
Hey, before starting, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and like and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that we can stay connected. With pure love, Vinny.
So these are the three options that we have kept in for this reading. These are the three ladybugs, red colored ladybugs, and this is blue colored, and this is orange color. Okay, so just close your eyes, ask your god, goddess, and archangels, or whichever deity you prefer, you believe in. Ask them that how your examinations is going to be and what action you need to take to so that your examination goes with ease and happy. Let it be happy. Okay, so just close your eyes and just concentrate in your for your intuitions and just select one. Okay. Hello everyone. So whoever has chosen this group one, this red, ladybug. So let us see how your examination is going to be and how the results are going to be and what action you need to take, how the overall thing is going to be. Okay. Don't be nervous, okay? But the most important thing, no matter how prayers you do and whatever you do, you need to take action, you need to learn, you need to spend time with your books. Okay, so that is a very must. And we'll also pray that Goddess Saraswati to bless you with the knowledge that is required, with the patience you need to deal with the examination and the stress. Okay, let me just shuffle all the cards first and then I'll do the reading together. Okay. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels, Divine One. The examination is good. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of Divine One, which God goddesses with One and what message they want to give for the exam they are going to attend in the near future. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what blessings pile one is receiving with the exam that is taking place in the near future. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of Find One, what action they need to take. Oops. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of Find One, what action they need to take to so that their exam goes well. So now let's see how your examination is going to be and what action you need to take and all of it. Okay. The Devil card. Okay, I'll just lower the camera a little bit. Okay. Yeah, so with this Devil card, your God, Goddess, Ma Saraswati, and everyone is trying to tell you that get off your addictions. Okay, spend less time with your camera. It is very clear, like not only your camera, I'm sorry, but your mobile phone. Okay, spend more, like it's like, see, those addictions are controlling your senses. Okay, so it's like you're trying to read, you're trying to, spend time with your books, but it's like you're not able to. A message will ping out and you'll be like, hey, let me just use my phone for 5 minutes, but you will end up using your phone for, like half an hour or 1 hour, you know so have control on your senses and your addictions. Especially I'm just hearing is mobile phone. Seven of Cups. Okay, sweetheart. So you guys are kind of confused, with the, whether the exams would be offline or online, or else. Okay, if that is clear, like, there is more of confusion. Okay. So angels are telling you that, hey, don't get confused, because see, for example, I'll just tell you, you have decided that, okay, in the evening I will study, not in the morning, because I have more concentration skills when I read in the evening, kind of thing. Okay, but in the evening you'll be like, hey, should I read this, should I read that, should I read this? Okay, and then you will end up doing nothing. Okay, so angels wanted to tell you that, hey, don't get confused, start with something, with a little. Okay, start with randomly start one thing, or else, start, go with the series, like chapter number 1, chapter number 2. Okay, focus. I'm seeing there is lack of concentration, lack of dedication. Okay, sweetheart, so you need to be dedicated towards your academic skills as well. Okay, because it is very clear, that you're not able to spend enough time with your academic activities. Okay, Nine of Cups. Okay, so here angels want to tell you that, okay, that, achievement. Okay, Nine of Cups, they are like, you will do it. Okay, so it's like, what story I'm kind of getting. It's like you are kind of, getting addicted towards your phone, and you're kind of, stressed out, like how I'm gonna study, how I'm gonna do it, everything. Then it's like you will try to figure things out. Okay, like whether what should I do, when should I learn this and that, then you will schedule a timetable or things like that, or at least you will bifurcate your, your whole schedule, and you'll try to do it, and you will do it in such a good way that, you will achieve what what you're expected. Okay, so yeah, I don't know why, but for some I'm also hearing 90%. I don't know for whom it is. Okay, but for some, okay, their angels are kind of like, you will receive 90%. Okay, this is not for everyone, but whoever, obviously, if you're working hard for it, definitely you deserve it. Okay, so let us see what else angels want to tell you regarding your examination. Inner temple, devotion, tune into the portal of your heart. Okay, so here angels are want to tell you that dedication, show your dedication towards your studies. Okay, it doesn't matter like how that exam, like, don't stress on how exam is going to be, what questions they will prepare. Focus on yourself and what knowledge you're gaining to your studies. Okay, angels want to tell you that if you're studying and you are kind of a person who who kind of believes more in life lessons, like, kind of you are not interested in what the chapter is all about. More important is to for you, that is more important, like, what knowledge I'm gaining from this chapter, like, kind of I would say real life lessons. You enjoy real life lessons rather than just chapters. Okay, but angels are trying to tell you that, hey, that's okay, life lessons is life lessons, but if you want to live in this Kalyug, you have to go through all of this, right? So, like, they would just want to tell you that if you're learning a chapter, if you're learning a lesson, or any particular answer, or anything, so they just want to tell you that go in detail, like, go with what knowledge you are gaining from that chapter, or that lesson, or anything. Awakening, energetic upgrade, a new way of being, integration. Okay, so here, like, angels want to tell you that you have enough knowledge within yourself. Okay, sometimes, if in books there would be some questions, or some, something that you will disagree with. Okay, because that is because of your past life lessons. Okay, so you have enough knowledge, enough wisdom within your own self. Okay, so also your god goddess Ma Saraswati is trying to tell you that utilize that knowledge, because sometimes it is important to utilize your own inner wisdom rather than just books. Okay, so it is kind of very deep. Goddess Subhadra. Okay, so what Goddess Subhadra wants to tell you that removal of illness, worldly power and grace, blessings of devotion to Krishna. So here, many of you are also devotees of Krishna, and like Subhadra is trying to tell you that she would bless you with good health. Okay, so that all during your exams, your health is going to be good. Okay, so she is going to take care of your health during your exams and during that period, when you're going to study for your examination and everything. So she is trying to tell you that, worldly power and grace. So, she would also bless you with the powers that you need to, get over of this confusion and this addiction. So the power is been granted to you. Okay, take help of those powers and everything. Okay. Epiphany. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. See clarity. Okay, so this is what I call, like what blessings you're gonna receive. So it is, like you will the blessings you're going to receive with this examination is that clarity. You will have very clear clarity and clear point of view towards your life after this examination. Okay, and even during this examination, it's like if you're giving the 10th examination, you would feel like, hey, you know what, I'm with all the subjects, I'm so clear that I want to go ahead with a science stream or else commerce stream or else art stream or whatever you want to go with. Okay, so it's like a more clear picture is going to come in front of you. Okay, leadership, set your goals. No doubt, like I'm feeling so strongly that with the 7 of Cups you used to be so confused and everything, but you are being blessed so much that your prayers have been worked, and you are being blessed with the goals, and you will be successful. Okay, as I told you here that you will schedule everything and all that, like your angels are trying to tell you that you will schedule off all of it and you will successfully follow it. Okay, so you will realize your inner strength and you have to do it, sweethearts. Okay, so schedule a plan and make things work out for you. Okay, because you have that possibility, you have that strength within you. Okay, as simple as that. What action you need to take? Compromise. No doubt, compromise with your mobile phones, or at least, see, I'm not saying that you should not use mobile phones and all that. Hey, come on, we live in the generation which is surrounded by mobile phones and social medias, right? So it's like, don't ignore, but at least reduce your time, because even you know that where your focus should be right now. Okay, because you have that inner wisdom. It's not that you don't know and you're not aware of it, you are absolutely aware of it. Okay, but what you need to do is spend a little less time with the social media, so that you can make use of that make use of the time, and let bring the 9 of Cups energies, and let those energies enter your life with these exams. Okay, reconsider. See, both of them are saying the same thing. So guys, reconsider. Okay, if you're confused with something, or any particular okay, I'm just hearing this. Okay, if you are getting dependent on like मेरी दोस्त ने ये नहीं पढ़ा तो मैं ये नहीं पढ़ूंगी, अगर उसने ऐसे बोला तो मैं वैसे करूंगी, like I'm just saying that if if any of your friends says that, hey, this chapter is not important, I'm not going to study this, so even you don't study, or else I'm going to do this, you don't do this, all this thing. So angels are telling you that, hey, like listen to your own intuitions, listen to your own brain that God has gifted you, right? So reconsider before you listen and believe in what others say about you, and regarding you and your studies and your examination in the coming week. Or else if someone comes and tell you that, hey, like you are not worthy enough to give this examination, you will fail because this is so tough. Okay, so angels are telling you that reconsider what they are telling you, because you know what your real potential is, and no one in this world know except you, right? So you are your own creator. ओके, ओन क्रिएटर ऑफ योर लाइफ। बोलते हैं ना कि हमारी हाथ की लकीरें हम खुद बदल सकते हैं, सो लाइक दैट। ओके, सो एंजल्स आर टेलिंग दैट रिकंसिडर व्हाट अदर्स आर टेलिंग अबाउट यू, व्हाट अदर्स थिंक अबाउट यू। ओके, दैट डजंट मैटर टू यू, ऑल यू नीड to do is your own work. Okay, all you need is a little bit of more dedication, and you got there. Okay, so all the best, sweethearts, for your coming examination. All the very best from me and Ma Saraswati to you. Let Ma Saraswati bless you with all the knowledge and wisdom and dedication that is required to you for the coming examination. Okay, so all the best, sweethearts. Okay, goodbye. Whoever has chosen this cute blue ladybug, let us see how your examination is going to be and what action you need to take, and all that thing. So before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Okay, lovely souls, let us see, no matter what exam you are going to give, whether it is a board exam or state board exam, or else any government examination, or else semester assessment exam. So whichever exam you are going to give, let us ask for the group 2 that how your examination is going to be and what guidance your angels want to give you, Ma Saraswati want to give you regarding your examination. I'll just first shuffle the cards, so it is easier for us to read further. Okay. Just take this card. Let us see which god or goddess is with you and what guidance they want to give you regarding the examination, like what blessings they are giving you. Let us see what blessings you are receiving post your examination. With this pile, for some, I'm just listening that, you enjoy listening music. Okay, it's like if you are writing something, or, before your examination or while studying, you just enjoy music. Okay, you love listening to music, and because I'm just hearing, songs, and, you're doing some work or studies, and you're just listening to music. Let us see what action you need to take so that your examination goes well. Okay, so let us get started with your tarot cards. 5 of Swords. Okay, sweethearts. So here, there will be some kind of, bullying going on with you, or else there are people around you who will be like, you don't study, you're not worth it, मतलब कुछ हो नहीं सकता इसका, तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता, पढ़ाई तो करनी है नहीं, ज़िंदगी में कुछ नहीं करेगा। मैं ऐसे टॉन्ट सुन रही हूँ गाइस, आई डोंट नो हु कौन सुनता है ये, बट I just feel some of you, you and sometimes you are used to this. Okay, like you're not good enough with your studies, how what about your future and all, things like ba 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 ba, kachar 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 kachar, you're used to these taunts, I would say. So angels want to tell you that don't listen to these taunts, okay, because you know what you are, what the true self is, because people will say, people will just they have clutters in their mouth, so they will speak up whatever clutter they have, right? So don't focus on what others are saying about you, what others are talking about you. Okay, focus on your true inner self. If you want to give this exam, then give. For some, I'm just if you're giving some government examination and you are not it's like you are giving this examination with pressure just because others want you to do it. Don't do it. Okay, see, if you are doing this because of some pressure, don't do it. if you really want to do it with your inner self, then just go and do it. Don't think twice. Okay, so focus on yourself, guys. Okay, don't focus what others are talking about you, or what others want you to do. Do what your heart says. Okay, what your heart and your mind says. Okay. 10 of Pentacles. Okay, okay. So I don't know, guys, but here I'm kind of feeling a bit family pressure. Okay, means like, your family is kind of pressurizing you to do something, to give this examination. Okay, not for everyone, but for few of them, I'm just listening this thing. Okay, and for others, it's like, it's a happy card. Okay, it's like whatever exam and like, whatever pressure you have gone through to give this examination, whatever, mehnat bolte na, whatever struggle you have gone through, whatever hard work that you have done for this exam, it's like, when you'll see the question paper, you'll be like, hey man, I know this, I'll just do it. Okay, so it's like, there will be a family support as well, guys, with this card. For some, I'm also seeing that, for the examination, your parents are really, really, really supportive. Okay, but if there are friends who are talking about you, see, because sometimes happens, you are a ranker, you are a rank holder, but sometimes your friends try to, hey man, you are just rank holder, what about you, agar tu padhega nahi to bhi chalega, things like that. Okay, so angels are like, don't think, or don't take into your ears whatever others are speaking, that is nonsense. Okay, so don't take such things, because you have a it's like you have a strong family background. Okay, it's like your parents are supportive, or else there is someone that is very supportive towards you, your loved one. Okay, so you have that support in your life, that is what I'm getting. Okay, you have that support. Okay, so don't worry. 3 of Cups. Okay, so time to celebrate. Okay, fine, but I'm also getting this, guys, kuch logo ke liye, it will be like kind of, you are kind of waiting for the examination to end so that you can go out with your friends and hang out with them, get some, just get chilled out and things like that. Okay, for some, I'm also getting this message that kind of spending more time with your friends, listening, like अपने friend से अपनी friend की सुनने से ज़्यादा अपनी family की सुनो. Listen to your parents, listen to your elders. Okay, so if your friend is saying something to you, okay, before that, I'm not saying ignore them. No, I would not ever recommend anyone to ignore anything or anyone, like I won't say that, but it's your choice, right? But also focus on what your elders are trying to tell you. Okay, so if I'm also feeling that there is some kind of confusion over here, guys, with regards to your career or regards to your future studies. I'm just getting that feel. Okay, so if you are kind of worried or things like that, talk to some elder person or talk to that trustworthy person, because there is support available to you, guys. Okay, and if you're worrying regarding your finances, don't worry, because that it's like Ma Saraswati is trying to tell you that, hey, Ma Lakshmi is going to bless you. Just have some patience. Okay, that's all. Mirror, who or what is triggering you? Okay, so here, with this examination, whatever that you're going to give, I don't know why, guys, but I don't know who this person is. He or she, no idea, but I'm kind of getting very strongly that the examination that you are doing, or the course that you're doing, okay, in future, or else it is just for society need. It is just for your parents need, your family need. It's not actually what you want. Okay, so angels also are trying to tell, like it's like angels are trying to tell you more than the exam. Okay, like they want to give you message, not just for the examination, but more than that, for your life. Okay, so they are just trying to tell you that look into yourself, look into your inner self. Okay, if someone is trying to bully you, or someone is trying to hey, you're not worth it, you're not capable enough to give the examination or things like that, angels are trying to tell you that, hey, no matter what they tell you, you look within you, within yourself. Okay, what you are going to do, and what you enjoy, like you love doing, do that. Okay, because that will give you more happiness, sweethearts. Okay, let us see your next message. Warrior woman, have you answered your deepest calling? See, I'm just getting the same messages, guys. Okay, so let me tell you this very straightforwardly. Follow your passion. What you have, follow that. What you want to do, follow that. Okay, because you are a warrior. Okay, you are very strong personality that, like, you have that willpower to face the situation, to face the circumstances, or to face the challenges. Okay, you're prepared for that. Okay, if you're giving certain exams, angels are like, you're ready to give that examination, and to nail that thing. Okay. See, for example, I'll just tell you that, if you're going for an audition, like an acting audition. See, even audition is an examination, right? It's like testing you, right? Even that's an exam. So you're going to an audition, and your family is against that. Your family doesn't support, your acting career, or any creative career. Okay, but you will be like, I'll just go there, I will kneel it, and I will stand by my side. Okay, so that is what you need to do. Okay, I'm not saying go against it, but try to convince them. Okay. Because you can do it, you have the capabilities to do it. The Buddha, Lord of Compassion. Follow your passion. Follow your passion. This is what I'm hearing. Follow your passion. Non-violence, attainment of nirvana, detachment from worldly temptations, readiness and ability to pass knowledge on to others. Okay. So, guys, you Lord Buddha is trying to tell you that if you have certain knowledge regarding anything, see, if you're preparing for some exams and your friend, or else any of your member, or friend or classmate need help regarding some question or answer or any certain topic. Okay, so Lord Buddha is trying to tell you that share the knowledge that you have, because what happens, there are people during exams who will explain others, right? So explain others, उससे क्या होगा ना, आपका खुद का revision होगा, right? So Lord Buddha is trying to tell you that explain others, help others, that will lead to, it's like you are helping yourself. Okay, so do that. And what blessing you are receiving? Enlightenment, perceive spiritual growth, Lord Buddha. I'm telling you guys, this pile is more than an examination. Okay, trust me, angels are giving you message not just for the examination, but for your future growth. And because this is the pile who will attain the, attain the salvation, right? Who will attain the also spiritual people. Okay, a lot of spiritual people in this pile. Okay, so there are chances that you have interest in these tarot cards, or you love singing devotional songs, or you have interest in astrology, or you love to do spiritual work. Okay, that is what, or else you would also love to explore Vedic knowledge. Okay. Owl, follow your intuition. You have a very strong intuition, sweethearts. Okay, so by the time as and when you need, you require some guidance, your angel is going to guide you. Okay, whether it is regarding your exams, whether it is regarding your passion, your career. Okay, they are guiding you. Perfect timing, what action you need to take. Okay, so angels are trying to tell you that all you need to do is take care of the time. Okay, like if you have scheduled your own timetable, angels are like, do things at what time you have decided you want to do. Okay, so schedule everything and do everything on time, because that will really help you. Ask help from others. Okay, so as I told you that you guys have the family support. Okay, so if you need help regarding your examination to explain a concept, or anything, or else you need like if you have a lecturer who is very supportive to you, and you can ask them for you can ask them for hey, can you just explain me this concept that I'm not at all able to understand this because of the online classes or things like that. Okay, so ask help from others, because the help is available to you. Okay, so yeah, that's all for you guys. All the very all the very best, sweethearts, because this pile was something. Okay, like I even felt, this is like kind of very deeper knowledge, okay, like deeper messages that had that you were meant to receive. Okay, so all the best for your future life as well. Okay, also for the exam, let Goddess Saraswati bless you with all the knowledge and wisdom, the strength that you need, for your coming future life and your exams as well. Okay, so all the best, sweethearts. Goodbye. Hello, pile 2, whoever has chosen this orange ladybug. Let us see how your examination is going to be, and what action you need to take, what blessing you're going to receive during your examination, and what Ma Saraswati is blessing you with, and what her messages is for you. Okay, so let us go through all this. Before that, sweethearts, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and please press that bell icon so that whatever videos I come with, you will get the notification. So let us see. Okay, I'll take this card. So let us see, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of pile 3, how the examination is going to be, what message you have for them for the examination. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what message you have for this pile, for pile 3, for this examination. Which god or goddess is with pile 3, and what message they want to give pile 3 for their examination. What blessing you are receiving for your examination that is coming in your near future. What action you need to take so that your exam goes like kind of really well. So let us get started with your tarot cards, and let us see what your angels, what Ma Saraswati has guidance for you. Again, this card flipped out. Okay, so first of all, 3 of wands. Okay, so angels want to tell you that, Ma Saraswati want to tell you that you are in a right direction. Okay, you're moving towards a right direction, and there is lots of creativity around you, so you can make use of that creativity. Okay, and also you are a deep thinker. Okay, you kind of think very deeply, and it's like if you see a person, you don't just see their outer self, but you see their character, their behavior. It's like you kind of scan them. Okay, I would say. Okay, so yeah, and the other thing is like with the examination, angels want to tell you that you are on a right way. Okay, if you're taking certain actions, it's like they are there with you, and it's like as simple as that. I'm also getting with this card. Okay, this card is of entrepreneur, right? So after this examination, okay, whatever you are trying to give, after this examination, angels are trying to tell you that you can focus on a certain business. Okay, rather than going into a corporate world, you can go with some kind of business that you would like to, or you have interest on. Okay, justice card. Okay, no doubt. Okay, with the coming examination, there will be justice. Okay, see, for example, with this offline classes, okay, it's not that easy to conduct the offline class, and there is more of injustice going on. Okay, so angels are trying to tell you that, hey, don't worry. Okay, there will be justice that will be prevail to you. Okay, if there is certain situation where you feel I am not being treated right. Okay, so angels are like, hey, even Ma Saraswati is trying to tell you that I'm there with you, right? So you have that knowledge that is required, and I'm there with you. Like, she's there with you. All your documentation, okay, if there is certain documents that is required for certain exam, okay, so she will take care of everything. Like, focus on whatever. See, for example, for some kind of examinations, your documents submission is also required, okay? So take care of it, okay? Don't just give all your documents blindly, okay? Just go through it, okay? If you're giving your documents to anyone, be careful, okay? That's all. Knight of Cups. Okay, so with this card, angels also want to tell you that, enjoy your life, okay? It's like, sometimes you get more serious with life, okay? Like some of you, okay, like you get more serious with life when it comes to examination. You'll be like, अरे यार एग्जाम आ रहा है, एग्जाम आ रहा है, एग्जाम आ रहा है, पढ़ना है बट पढ़ना नहीं है, okay? But like that, okay? So it's like, also have fun, okay? Don't just stress about everything, also have fun. And I'm also getting with if some of you are in relationship, or if you have certain partner, okay, so that person will help you regards to the examination, okay? That person will guide you, or else not just him. If there might be any, you're one of your loved ones, okay, they will guide you regarding regards to examination, okay? And I'm also feeling that like you are ready, okay, to give the examination. You are ready to give the examination, okay? Like that, I'm just getting like you're ready to give the examination. You're ready to or else I would say you're ready for the offline thing, or you're ready for the online thing. Whatever it is coming, you are ready for it, okay? So let us see what further message you have. Council of Light. Okay, divine orchestration, helpers in the subtle realms. Okay, so guys, you have the whole spiritual team working out for you, okay? As I told you that you can opt for business if you're looking for corporate job, or see, everyone's energy is different, right? I'm not telling it for everyone, but for some of you, okay? If you're good with corporate job or things, go ahead with it. But if you are kind of lacking with the, if you're not that confidence with the corporate job, go ahead with the business, okay? Because I'm kind of feeling that you will do much better in terms of business, okay? So Council of Light, so your angels are like, you have the whole bunch of angels, and ascended masters, all the goddess, whoever deity you believe in, everyone has your back, everyone is with you, guiding. That's why you're ready to give the examination, okay? It's like, if you're worried that whether you will be pass or fail or things like that, I can 90% assure you that you are going to pass, okay? You are going to pass, as simple as that. But it doesn't mean that you don't study, okay? Let me tell you that also clearly. Don't imagine that, oh yeah, I'm going to pass. If it doesn't matter if I study or not. You have to study, sweethearts, okay? Don't dim to fit in. You are dimming your light in order to fit in. So angels are trying to tell you that, hey, don't dim your light, okay? See, if it's like there might be people around you who are kind to pull you down, okay? Like kind of demoting you or degrading you, okay? I don't know why, but for all the piles I got this message, there are people around you who are kind to degrade you. Like, that's okay, that's fine, that's life, right? So don't try to fit in for others, okay? If someone is trying to tell you that you need to do this job, or to live your life you need to go in corporate life, it's okay if you don't go, okay? So you are meant to do a business, so it's okay if you don't do a job, right? So that is fine, okay? So see, you are out of box people, okay? If someone tells you or guides you that you need to do this work like this work is done in this way, but you'll be like, no, it can be done in this way, why are you going this way? It's like you think out of the box. That is what I'm getting. Let us see what, okay, Lord Hanuman. So Lord Hanuman is trying to tell you that you are protected. I told you, right? You are going to pass, no matter what exam you're going, whether it is acting, whether it is exam regarding dance, whether it is exam regarding your life, exam regarding your college, school, you are going to pass. Okay, but that doesn't mean, because see, Lord Hanuman is dedicated to Lord Ram, right? Lord Ram and Ma Sita. So how dedicated he is, so I'm also getting that you are that dedicated person. Okay, means if you really love something, you will put your soul and heart and mind into it. Okay, so Lord Hanuman is going to bless you because you are devoted to whatever you are loved to, right? So he's trying to tell you that you are blessed. Okay. You are blessed, so he is protecting you and your exams and your marks. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, you need not worry. See, clarity. Okay, so this pile, when you are going to give this next exam, okay, that is coming in your future, angels are trying to tell you that you will get more clarity. Okay, clarity towards your life. How is that possible? Even now, I guess even pile 1 got this card, or pile 2 got this card. I don't remember. Okay, so you have that spiritual growth, you have that spirituality, you are devoted. See, Lord Hanuman also. So you are very wise person. Okay, you have very deeper knowledge. Okay, so, it's like your soul is very matured. Okay, it's like sometimes your someone elder from you might behave immaturely, but you are very matured, right? So very matured soul, and that is why Lord Hanuman is very impressed with you, and he will bless you with the whatever exams that is in front of you. Okay, and with the blessing, it's such a awesome blessing you are receiving, guys. Clarity, devotion, and the deep inner knowledge that everyone is seeking. You are blessed with it, yeah. Oh, you got 3 cards. Let us see what action. So it's like you need to take a lot of action, sweethearts. Okay, helpful people. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is take help from others, guys. Okay, because there are people who is around you, who are ready to help you. See, there are so many angels around you who are kind of providing that is required to you, all the materials that is required to you to get pass through the examination that is coming in front of you. Okay, so there is a lot of help available to you, so take that help. Okay, don't hesitate to take help, don't hesitate to ask help, listen to your intuitions, no doubt. Okay, so your intuitions is very very strong, sweetheart. Okay, if you have been guided that, hey, I should read this particular question because I feel that this is important. Okay, so read that question, go through those answers. Okay, because you never know, that answer might come in exam, right? So go through your intuitions, because your angels are guiding you via your intuitions. Okay, within the next few months. Okay, so you are thinking of something, like within the next few months you might, the steps, right? Growth. So certain door might open for you within some month that you were waiting for. Okay, or some good news might come within next few months, or whatever you are thinking of, that you should start up or you should do something. Or else if you're starting up to open up your own new business after your studies, or your certain exam. Okay, so angels will tell you that that thing will happen within certain particular months, might be 4 or 6 months. Okay, I'm telling you the highest possibility, within the next few months, might be 4 or 6 months. Okay, so all the best, sweethearts, and yeah, all the best. Yeah, okay, so do like, share and subscribe my channel, guys, if you really feel connected to the messages that that the angels gave via me. Okay, so I'm just gonna come up with many more such positive videos. Okay, so all the best, and if you want any personal appointments, so you can contact me in the description. I have mentioned my number in the description, so you can directly call me or take an appointment. Okay, so that's all for now, sweethearts. I'm going to come up with many other videos, so click out to that bell icon, so that you'll get a notification. Yeah, okay, so that's all for now. Goodbye, lovely souls. Have an awesome exam examination, and let Ma Saraswati bless you with all the knowledge and wisdom that pile 3 is required. Like, whoever has chosen this pile 3 is required. Please bless them with Ma. Please bless them. Okay. Okay, that's all. Okay, so goodbye.